Kasarga jala kala IT ya kathup jang kishejan terus pak kala tylli shnong banyo ya mobile network hapoh Universal Service Obligation Fund USOF. Ya kande la pentep tu ba Hamletson Dohling Menteri Bidikmi ya Information and Technology apa juba hakikinta geli jingkeli kedarbar mang tingka kebarang ya chakmat hayang darbar thoan ha khander trik uleber arja arpuar wala kali daw MLE ka mau senram ba HM champliang Menteri la pentep ba ya kani ka benta penyok mobile network sekijaka nong kendong lai keren bakatrat telecom communication keserkar India.
Honorable Mr. Speaker, sir. Reply to sir question 117. A. No, sir. B. Sir, telecom is a central subject. Hence, the state government is actively pursuing with Department of Telecommunication, Government of India, to facilitate and speed up the process of covering the uncovered inhabited villages of the state. Also, all telecom towers set up in Meghalaya are either financed directly by the telecom companies themselves or by the Government of India through the Universal Service Obligation Fund. Since telecom companies set up telecom towers in areas where it is commercially viable for them, the central government fund for the setting up of telecom infrastructure in remote areas which are not commercially viable through USOF. C. So the state government is pursuing with the Government of India to cover the Kenba and Kenmansa village areas with mobile network under USOF.
Speaker, sir, I'd like to thank the Minister for quite a convincing reply relating to this connectivity. Although we all understand, and I think all 60 MLAs do face the similar situations where most of the remote villages under our constituencies are not connected, thereby causing a lot of hardship and difficulties for our children to get connected online for their studies. Seeing this effort of the government of writing to the central government and also for assistance under the USOF, I feel that we should continue to pursue the matter, and may I request the Minister to kindly let me know when did the state government write to the Government of India to cover these villages as per the answer at C.
Mr. Speaker, sir. In fact, we have already taken up with the Ministry of Communication, DOT, on the 6th January 2022 regarding the uncovered villages which we have already sent to the DOT department.
So I can understand there was a list of villages that have been sent to Government of India. May I know from the Minister whether these villages are also in the list?
Mr. Speaker, sir, in fact we have around 1613 villages which have sent to the Department of Telecommunication, including these two.
Thank you, sir.